Hey, what's up? I'm Rekeema. Welcome to my channel, Detaileddream. Ladies and gents, it's that time of year for that special queen, that special lady in your life. Mother's Day is quickly approaching.
I'll always love my mama. She's my favorite girl.
And what better way to show her your appreciation than with some type of fragrance and, of course, candles. If you know, last year everyone was on a bit of a hiatus with everything going on, but this year it's the time to create new experiences. We have to make the best of it the best way we can individually. So show that woman that you love her, and if you can't show her, then tell her. It goes a long way, trust me, especially if it's moms. You only get one in this lifetime, and that's it. In this video, I will give you the best of different kinds of fragrances and candles that I've really grown to love. I will give you the scents and notes of each so you know exactly what you're getting. I don't want you out here driving blind. Before we jump in, if you're not subscribed, do me and this channel a huge favor and subscribe below. And drop a like on this video for all of the amazing moms in our lives. Now let's get to it. Starting off with a great candle brand that hits close to home and will make an amazing Mother's Day gift. This is also the first time that I'm featuring them on this channel as well. That brand is Homesick. The whole idea behind this brand is to help you feel closer to the people, places, and the moments that matters to you most. And that's a great way to personally show someone that you're always thinking of them. Their candles are very simple, especially with that bold-face font that gives you a reminder of that person or place every time you go to light it. And right now, Homesick has a scent specifically made for Mother's Day, the Thank You Mom candle. This candle has a very fresh scent with the top notes consisting of bergamot, lavender, and sage. The mid notes are jasmine and ylang-ylang, and the base notes are sandalwood, musk, and lily. This candle gives you the scent of freshly trimmed flowers with that touch of citrus from the bergamot. It's also rated to last 60 to 80 hours, so your mom will have this for quite some time. It's made from natural soy wax. The wick is 100% cotton also, and it contains no lead, plastic, parabens, or synthetic dyes. If that's not a good enough reason to buy a candle, I don't know what to tell you. Homesick will also let you customize the packaging or the actual glass with a handwritten message. That will just add that extra level of making this candle more personal and special for your mom. It will also give you some brownie points, at least 3 points.
Curry for three, puts it in.
If you're the type of person that loves to give cards just because, then this will be right up your alley. Moving on to a fragrance that is one of my all-time favorites for a woman, Chanel No. 5. Either the Eau de Parfum or the Parfum version. In my opinion, this is a very sophisticated and classy scent with citrus top notes paired with base notes of rose and jasmine. Fragrances are a very tricky thing, especially if you're giving it as a gift, because they can smell totally different with how they react with the body chemistry. My suggestion is finding a scent that's subtle and doesn't contain too many notes. Chanel No. 5 is that perfect example. It only contains about 4 notes that you can almost smell without actually having it right in front of you. Or you can look up the notes that's in her fragrances that she already wears and you can go from there. It's not a very strong scent. It's not the type of fragrance that you will smell before you actually see the person wearing it. It leaves that nice scent trail that makes you turn to see who's wearing that amazing fragrance. And that's what I love most about the iconic Chanel No. 5. If your mom is into floral scents, this will be at the top of my list for a potential Mother's Day gift, and that's why I'm telling you about it today. While we're on the subject of fragrance, another amazing gift that you really should consider comes from the House of Dior, the Oud Ispan. This particular fragrance is very popular in the fragrance world. There's been a lot of talk about the Oud Ispan, and that's for a very good reason. It has that very nice rose scent that has a bit of a sensual aspect to it, and the base notes of that oud and sandalwood adds that spice to it, which makes this scent stand out. This fragrance is perfect for that woman that loves to make a statement, the woman that dresses and walks with a purpose. It's a strong scent, but not to the point where it hits you in the nose. It sneaks up on you in a good way. This scent will work day and night. It's perfect for a nice night out thanks to that oud and sandalwood. It can be worn during the day, perhaps to a business meeting thanks to that subtle rose note. Maybe you want to upgrade your mom's fragrance, or this could already be one of her favorite scents. Either way, this is another top tier fragrance that she will love you for. Okay, jumping back into the candles with one of my favorite candle brands, as you already may know, Harlem Candle Co. Now, I hold this brand as a top tier candle brand in the entire candle world. Any scent from Harlem Candle Co. would get the job done for Mother's Day, but if I had to personally choose, I would go for the Lady Day scent. This scent is very vibrant and full of life that has notes that performs well together. You get that freshness from the top notes of green leaves, neroli, and bergamot. The mid notes have some gardenia, jasmine, ylang-ylang, and the coffee flower for that warm embrace. And finishing it off with the base notes of coconut milk, silk, sandalwood, and vetiver. This will make an amazing Mother's Day gift, especially if your mom is into jazz and listens to Billie Holiday. It shows you put that extra thought into your gift. We all love those gifts that hit close to home. It's something that we will always remember the most. Make it personal to that person and create amazing memories together. Upgrade your mom with a good quality candle. It will go a long way, especially if she already has those not so good candles with those chemicals and those synthetic dyes and oils. Now let me switch it up and give you a candle that isn't jam-packed full of floral and citrus scents. Here's my suggestion if your mom is into the more earthy scents. The Moso Bamboo scent from Voluspa is that perfect Mother's Day gift if you're trying to avoid the floral scents. This particular candle has notes of bamboo, black musk, and Japanese cypress. You get that very smooth, earthy scent that isn't too overpowering. The good thing I love about this candle is that it comes in all types of different shapes and sizes. You have the large jar, you have the small jar, you have the petite jar, you have the 3-wick, you have the 5-wick, just to name a few. And as the perfect gift for mom, if she really loves earthy scents, Voluspa gives you the entire Moso Bamboo collection as a gift set. It might be a little overkill, but like I said, if your mom really loves the earthy scents, then she will really appreciate this. And you may get another 3 brownie points.
Now picks him up. Curry for 3. It's good.
Something I was thinking about while making this video is that you could pair any of these candles or fragrances with a bundle of fresh flowers for that extra wow factor. And don't forget the card either. Here's a tip for you. If you're getting a card for, let's say, Mother's Day, then skip the Mother's Day card section and think outside the box. Personally, I like to go to the thinking of you or the love section. You get a better variety and it tends to be more personal. Whether it be candles or fragrances, there is no perfect gift. Just letting your mom know how much she's appreciated is that perfect gift. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it and let me know if you're going to be picking up any candles or fragrances that I mentioned. And happy Mother's Day to all of the moms in the world. I will catch you all in the next video, and as always, be your best self.